In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on the Canva Magic Edit tool. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. I've got this image of a person. If I'd like to change the colour of the shirt that he's wearing to green, I can use the Magic Edit tool. All I need to do is select the image, then click Edit from the buttons that come up. That will open up a sidebar on the left. From here, under Magic Studio, we need to find and select Magic Edit. We now need to select a suitable brush size, then draw over everything on the image that we would like to be changed. So I'm going to draw all over the shirt as best as possible. This doesn't have to be perfect. Once we've done that, on the left, under Describe Your Edit, we need to enter what we want changing on the part of the image we have selected. So I'm going to type Make the Shirt Green, then click Generate. It has now changed the colour of the shirt to green. As you can see in the top left, it has provided 4 different variations, so we can pick which one we like the best. We can click Generate again if we would like the image to be regenerated. Once we're happy with the final product, we can click Done at the bottom. Now you can start using this image for your projects. That's all we have for this tutorial on the Canva Magic Edit tool. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.